All right, so our smoker is lit. Billow check, still puffing good. Got our bees ready, our frame holder, our hive opening tool. Let's give this sucker a go. All right, so I'm gonna go for the crazy busy one first, because why not? So you don't want to burn the bees. So just kind of give them one or two little puffs. You're gonna hear that buzzing as they abscond from the smoke. Absolutely okay. Put my smoker back in its safety zone. Now using my hive tool. You're gonna want to get in here, but there's gonna be sealed propolis where the bees have gotten in. So you want to be very careful here. This is actually pretty loose, so I'm gonna see if I can't just yeah. All right. Give me one sec. All right. Wow. Huh? I mean, that's pretty cool. Kind of terrifying. I mean, my frames are literally all filled out here. So we're gonna take this, put this right here. To set them down, your baby bees will be all right. They even built comb on the top. So healthy, healthy, healthy hive. You're supposed to have about 6 to 8 of these frames filled out. And just from even a top look, I can see that all 10 of them are filled, bustling, and booming. So let's go.